it's Betsy, and today we have a fun video. We're going to be doing our June 2020 Love with Food unboxing. Now, this is a healthy snack subscription box. So these are snacks that are supposed to be better for you, whether they're gluten-free, keto snacks, just different things to try. And this box, when I signed up for it, it is either $24.99 a month, or I think it's like $60 for 3 months, which I paid for 3 months up front. So this is what the package looks like. The only thing I've done is cut the plastic, but other than that, we haven't even opened her up yet. And there are typically a lot of good things in here to try. So the first thing we got is a Belgian Boys mini cookie stash, and this is cookie butter cookies. So, and see what they're, part of it is like this is non-GMO, no palm oil, no artificial flavors. So these are supposed to be extremely healthy. Next up, I got a Stupe Waffle, a soft toasted waffle filled with caramel, cinnamon, and real bourbon vanilla. That sounds good. And it says to warm it up on your cup, so I guess you can eat that with your coffee in the morning, which sounds really good. Then I got a chocolate cherry Cooper Street cookie. I think I got one of these in last month's box. Jeremy loved that. He thought that was really, really good. Then I got a turkey snack stick. I also got a Bobo's Oat Bite. It is a peanut butter and chocolate chip, like cookie kind of thing. Also got some Legendary Foods tangy ranch seasoned almonds. That sounds good. I love almonds, and especially pecans. That's my favorite kind of nuts. And then we got Mr. Nature unsalted trail mix. Also got ZZ's birthday cake soft baked bar. I'm excited to try this. Birthday cake, like confetti cake and stuff like that, is one of my favorite flavors and things. So I'm excited for that. Then we also got some almond rice pops with blueberries. So they're kind of like, it looks like a Rice Krispie treat, but healthy. Man, I love a good Rice Krispie treat though. Also got a Scout, I think that's how you say it, organic protein bar. So it's 10 grams of protein, and it's chocolate cherry. Interested to find out what that is. We got some gluten-free granola by Bakery on Main, and it's cranberry almond flavor. Also got a fruit to go fruit strip, and it's apple strawberry watermelon flavor. That sounds really good. Another thing, like last month we got some strawberry gummies. Those were delicious too. We also got a Shifa Coconut dark chocolate granola bar. I will not eat this. I do not like the texture of coconut on my teeth, like at all. I think it is, there's something about it. It's like that and raw onions. It's like nails on a chalkboard to me, so I don't eat it unless it is like tiny and you can't get the texture at all. So, but my husband will like that. He loves coconut, especially like steamed coconut and stuff like that. Also got some Applewood cheddar cheese wholesome wheat crispy crackers. So they look like a substitute, or a good substitute for Cheez-Its. I'm interested to try those because I do like Cheez-Its, but it's not something I can eat all the time. So the last snack I got in here is a original striving beef biltong, all dried beef slices. Oh, so it's beef jerky. Love beef jerky. Beef jerky is always good. Then I also got a $45 gift card to Bright Cellars. So like to order wine. I don't drink wine, so not really sure about that. Then I got 10% off of Elmhurst. It's a coupon for their food brand. And then Zest Tea, an ad for Zest Tea. So all in all, I think it's a pretty good box. There are several snacks I'm in here to try. And you know, I don't know about y'all, but kind of find healthy snacks. And I don't want to buy a whole bunch. The part of the reason why I signed up for this box is like, I don't want to go and spend, because a lot of times stuff that's healthy for you is more expensive. And I didn't want to go spend $7 on a box of tangy seasoned ranch almonds and then eat one and think it's disgusting, and then it just gets thrown away or nobody eats it. So to me, this is a better way to try some healthy things and see what you like, and then you can buy a full size, or you can buy a box that has a lot of snack sizes in it. So that's what we like to do. But I guess that's it. Don't forget to check me out on all my social media: Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. I know I look cruddy right now, have no makeup on. It's been a day. It is definitely a Monday, and I was like, I still have to get a video up, so we'll shoot this. This is fun and easy. And that's why I love like snack boxes, or just boxes in general. I think they're super fun and it's just easy, and I like getting stuff in the mail. I like getting packages. It makes me feel special. But I guess that's it. So don't forget to check. We also do videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Give this video a thumbs up. Bye.